Hello my dear friends, welcome to the SpinorApps channel. In this video, you will learn using images in Flutter app. Flutter apps can include both code and assets, sometimes called resources. An asset is a file that is bundled and deployed with your app, and is accessible at runtime. Common types of assets include static data, for example, JSON files, configuration files, icons, and images, JPEG, WebP, GIF, animated WebP, GIF, PNG, BMP, and WBMP. Image class is a widget that displays an image. Several constructors are provided for the various ways that an image can be specified. Image, for obtaining an image from an ImageProvider. Image.asset, for obtaining an image from an AssetBundle using a key. Image.network, for obtaining an image from a URL. Image.file, for obtaining an image from a file. Image.memory, for obtaining an image from a uint8 list. We can also use two other methods for displaying image in our Flutter app. Asset image, which fetches an image from an AssetBundle, having determined the exact image to use based on the context. And network image, which fetches the given URL from the network, associating it with the given scale.in. This way, the image will be cached regardless of cache headers from the server. We will show you most important of these method in coding. So, let's go to Visual Studio Code. I have already prepared a simple code. I create a folder for the images below the Assets folder, and then copy the images to this folder. Now I change the pubspec file like this. Finally, I press Ctrl+S to save the changes. I reset the program to apply the changes. I use the asset image command to add images to the app. I add a color to the scaffold background to highlight the image area. I set the height and width for my image. Using the fit property, I fit the image in the specified frame. I can test different fitting modes. I can use the network image to get the image from the network. I can use the Image.asset to get the image inside the Assets folder. I set the height and width for my image. Also, I can use the Image.network command to get the image from the network. Finally, for further practice, I download a GIF image from the internet and use it in my app. In the following video, we will talk about icons in Flutter. Okay, dear friends, if you find this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe SpinorApps channel, and press the bells icon for the next videos. Thank you very much.